Hi, my name is Dr. Todd Austin from ColdLaser.tv and the Dr. Todd Show, and welcome to this episode where we're coming from Austin Family Chiropractic in Verdon, Illinois. I would like to welcome to the show today a very special guest. Kelly is with me from the United States Postal Service, and she has been one of my favorite patients for the last, 5 years or so.
Yeah.
And we have helped her out with a lot of things with a combination of low force chiropractic care and extremity adjusting and of course cold laser therapy. So I just wanted to welcome you to the show, Kelly.
Thank
you. Can you tell our audience some of the about cold laser therapy? What do you love most about cold laser therapy, first of all?
I love cold laser therapy because you have instant relief most of the time. Most of the time, like if I have pain, I come here. When I leave, I have nothing. I'm like a new person. Second, I like cold laser therapy because you don't even feel it. It doesn't hurt. It's not scary. Nothing about it. It's just very relaxing, and you leave here like a new person.
Exactly, and I've joked with Kelly over the years and referred to her as my Humpty Dumpty patient because all the king's horses, all the king's men couldn't put her back together, but it seems with the cold lasers we're always able to do that.
Always,
So,
every
time so far. And then of course we have been able to, with the chiropractic and the cold lasers, save you from the knife a few times. So can you tell the viewers maybe a word or two about that?
Yes. I was scheduled for surgery, and Dr. Austin ran into my mom and kind of got the ball rolling and told him about some cold laser therapy, which I wasn't familiar with. So I thought I'll just give it a try and came in for an appointment. Immediately I knew that I wasn't going to have surgery. And then after 4 visits that I came here, I canceled the surgery and I didn't have to have it. And then a couple of years later, it happened again on the other side with my job, because I'm job security for you. And they sent me to all these, surgeons and everything. But then I came to you and said, hey, and you fixed it, and I've never had a problem. I just come in for maintenance now. So.
And we're glad to have you coming in for maintenance to take care of you, so that she is my mail carrier. So it's nice to know that my mail is always going to arrive on time because we've got her taken care of. So we do have a little dilemma here because Kelly is getting transferred to Shreveport, Louisiana. And so we need to find Kelly a chiropractor who is a rock star cold laser therapist too.
Exactly.
Okay. And so far I've been on some different boards on the internet, Facebook, private groups of other chiropractors trying to find someone like that, and I've not been able to.
You're just going to have to move to Shreveport, Louisiana. Sorry, I'm taking him with me.
Okay, so I'm not really planning to move. But what I also do is I'm a cold laser consultant. I currently have 9 chiropractors throughout the U.S. and Canada that I am training to do what I do, which is basically rock it with the cold lasers. And so I do not have anyone yet in the state of Louisiana. So we're hoping that someone will, that Kelly will find someone there who, if they're not already rocking the cold lasers, are interested in doing so, and so that we can really help them take their practice to the next level. Because the truth is, I love chiropractic, but chiropractic has its limitations, and cold laser therapy just kind of gives me an extra tool in my toolkit to keep people from different surgeries. It speeds up the healing process. It does things at the cellular level that a lot of times chiropractic itself is not capable of doing. And so that's how we can have these tremendous successes, if we have cold lasers and we know what to do with them. So, and I will say, if there are any chiropractors in Shreveport watching this, Kelly has been about the most awesome patient ever. She's referred like her whole family here.
My whole mail route.
She's referred most of her mail route here. She's referred employees and former employees that she's worked with here. So she's referred friends here. So basically, you know, we have gotten a ton of business over the last 5 years from the word of mouth that Kelly has generated for Austin Family Chiropractic. So anything that left that you wanted to say, Kelly?
I just refer you because it works and you're awesome, and so thank you so much, Dr. Austin.
Oh, you're welcome. And then would you leave the viewers with the name that you...
This is Dr. Awesome and his magic wands.
Okay, I thought that would be like a great name for a rock band, actually, but I don't do that anymore. But thank you for being on the show, Kelly, and thank you for being an awesome patient for all these years.
You make me cry.
And I'll miss you too. And
but you know, I said I will come back on the train 12 hours just to come back to this.
Okay.
Doctor.
But hopefully we'll find you someone there, yes. And you won't have to come back on the train to see me very often. And thank you for being on the show. I appreciate
thanks for having me.
Being honored to have been your chiropractor for the last 5 years or so, and to have been your cold laser therapist.
Yes.
And to have shown you the light with cold laser therapy.
You have.
So
good.
Thank you, and you have a terrific move to Louisiana.
Thank you.
All right.
Wish ya.
All right.